Good morning, dear students. This is your teacher Neelam Helawat, and today we'll do a very interesting topic, that is multiple alleles. Right, everyone? Yes. So let's start with the topic. All of you, just keep your books and notebooks ready. See, we got to talk about the multiple alleles. Multiple actually means many. So there are many alleles, isn't it? Generally, as per the Mendel, one gene consist of two alleles, right? अगर हम मेंडल को स्टडी करते हैं बेटा, सो एक जीन के अंदर दो अलील्स होते हैं. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक कैपिटल टी, दीज आर द टू अलील्स, और कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, राइट? सो टू अलील्स दे कंस्टिट्यूट वन जीन. Multiple alleles means if there are more than two alleles, like 3 or more than 3, they are also controlling the same character, then they are called as multiple alleles. As per the Mendel, एक कैरेक्टर को सिर्फ एक जीन कंट्रोल करता है, यानी दो अलील्स कंट्रोल करते हैं. लेकिन अगर किसी कैरेक्टर को दो अलील से ज्यादा अलील्स कंट्रोल करते हैं, then it is called the phenomena is called as multiple alleles. And this multiple alleles, they are found only when the population studies are made. जब population studies की जाती हैं बेटा, तभी हमें multiple alleles discover होती हैं. Now there are a few examples of multiple alleles. Like first we can have the ABO. The best example is ABO blood group in human beings. Second is coat color in mice. Third is coat color in rabbits. Fourth is eyes color in Drosophila. Okay, but here we will only discuss the two examples. First is, let's discuss the first example, that is blood group, that is ABO blood group. देखिए बेटा, जो ABO blood group होता है human beings में, that is being controlled by a gene I. उसे gene I control करता है, और इस gene I की तीन alleles होती हैं. So in short I can say there is a gene I which is controlling the blood group, and there are three forms of this I. One is IA, second is IB, and third is I. So three alleles, they are controlling the blood group. Okay, they are controlling the blood group. So three alleles, that is IA, IB, and the small I. Here this IA and IB, they are, both of them, they exhibit different forms of sugar on the RBC. जो IA और IB है बेटा, वो different forms of sugar को express करते हैं RBC के surface पे, while I does not produce any kind of sugar. Okay, so I is a gene which is controlling the blood group, and it has three alleles, IA, IB, and I. A and B, they produces different types of sugars, while I does not produce any sugar. Now, depending on this, we have four blood groups. अब हमारे जो है बेटा, हमारे पास चार ब्लड ग्रुप्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट जो ब्लड ग्रुप होता है, दैट इज ए ब्लड ग्रुप. सेकेंड इज बी ब्लड ग्रुप. थर्ड इज AB, एंड द फोर्थ इज O ब्लड ग्रुप. सो वी हैव फोर ब्लड ग्रुप्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द A ब्लड ग्रुप बेटा, A ब्लड ग्रुप के सरफेस पे जो होता है, RBC के सरफेस पे A एंटीजन एक्सप्रेस होते हैं. So there is antigen A, or I can say a sugar A type is being expressed on the surface of RBC. ठीक है? While in the B blood group, there is B sugar is expressed on the surface, or we can say antigen B is expressed. In case of AB, both the antigens, they will be expressed, that is antigen A and B will be expressed on the surface. While in case of O, there is no sugar which is produced. जो आपका RBC है, उसके surface पे कोई भी sugar produce नहीं होती है. ठीक है? तो ये हमारे चार ब्लड ग्रुप्स हैं. ओके बेटा जी, दीज आर द फोर ब्लड ग्रुप्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दी अलील्स दैट वी हैव. अगर हम इसमें जीनोटाइप की बात करेंगे बेटा, तो यू विल हैव सी IA, इसकी पॉसिबिलिटी है IA की, और वी कैन हैव IA और I की पॉसिबिलिटी. दीज आर टू पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ ब्लड ग्रुप A. जबकि आपकी यहां पर B में पॉसिबिलिटी होगी IB, or we can have IB and I, small I. So then you can have blood group A, but here there is only one possibility, IA and IB. while here both the genes both the alleles they should be small I. ठीक है बेटा? So from this we conclude that there are 4 blood groups, but there are 6 possibilities of these blood groups. Now let's take the second example, which is coat color in rabbits. Rabbits में आप देखिए coat color आप आसानी से देख सकते हो. So here the coat color is controlled by a gene which is called a C gene. So rabbits में जो उनका coat color होता है, जो उनका upper surface का या fur का जो color होता है बेटा, वो जो है उसको C gene control करता है. और इस C gene के 4 alleles होते हैं. अगर if there is a capital C, this means there will be full coat color, as you can see in picture 1. If there is C to the power CH, chinchilla, so you will have second coat color. And if Himalayan, then you will have third coat color, and albino will have the fourth coat color. Okay. And at a time, any rabbit can possess only 2 alleles. एक बार में किसी भी rabbit के अंदर सिर्फ 2 ही alleles हो सकती हैं. तो यहाँ पर आपके 4 possibilities हैं. तो C gene has 4 alleles. Okay. In case of blood group, we had only 3 alleles, but here there are 4 alleles which are controlling the coat color in case of rabbits. So full coat color, chinchilla, Himalayan, and the albino. Now let's see the possibilities. As I told you, 4 color combinations possible हैं. जो आपकी capital C gene होती है वो dominant होती है सभी alleles पर. Then chinchilla is dominant to Himalayan and white, while Himalayan is dominant to white, but white is recessive to all. So white जो है वो बाकी सबसे recessive होती है. Chinchilla जो है वो recessive है dark gray से, बाकी दोनों से dominant होती है. So आप देख सकते हैं अगर dark gray color है तो we can have 4 possibilities here. Either we can have capital C, or we can have capital C and chinchilla, or we can say capital C or Himalayan, or we can say the capital C and the white, because chinchilla dark gray is dominant to all. Chinchilla can have only one possibility, that is CH. While light gray can have, you can say there are 2 possibilities. One could be chinchilla and Himalayan, and second is chinchilla and the recessive one, that is small c. Himalayan will have 2 possibilities. One, it is having CH, or it is having CH and C. But albino will have only one possibility, that is small c. So we can say here that we can have 5 types of exhibits, 5 types of characteristics, 5 types of phenotypes. हमारे पास 5 तरीके की phenotype है. लेकिन अगर genotype की बात करें तो बेटा, so you can see here there are 4 possibilities, then there are 2, there are 1. So in total we can say there are 11 genotypes possible, but there are 5 phenotypes which are possible. Okay, 5 phenotypes हैं बेटा, लेकिन 11 genotypes possible है. So this is also another example of your multiple alleles. Okay beta ji. So I think you must be very clear with the multiple allele concept, and if there is any doubt you can ask, you can share your doubts to me. So your homework will be make notes of this topic, and if there is any query, any doubt, please do share with me. Okay everyone.